WRI2 Formula 1 is working on a microphone device which could be attached to cars' exhaust systems to enhance the audio for TV viewers. Since F1 ushered in the era of the new generation hybrid engine in 2014, the muffled deeper sound of the turbocharged power units has taken away part of the thrill of Grand Prix racing, which was provided by the high-pitch, screaming volume of the V8 and V10 engine. F1 commercial director Sean Bratches agreed that the viewer experience needed to be enhanced and revealed that the sport was investigation a way of pumping up the volume. FIA clarifies jump-start rules for 2018. Bratches said F1 was working with Australian producer and sports television innovator David Hill on a dedicated device. Hess working with a German concern to develop a ceramic microphone that we could actually adhere to the exhaust pipe to get the true amplification of sound for fans, said Bratches. A former boss of Fox Sports and a longtime associate of F1 CEO Chase Carey, Hill has been spending considerable time F1's broadcasting operations at races and at the unit's headquarters at Biggin Hill. F1 tested a megaphone-type exhaust in 2015 to try and boost noise levels, but the device was ultimately discarded. Noise is also at the forefront of F1's work on its future engine platform, headed by sporting manager Ross Brawn. The power unit of the future, set to be introduced in 2021, is expected to retain hybrid components, but with a less sophisticated and costly architecture. Hopefully, it will be music to F1 fans' ears. Gallery. The beautiful wives and girlfriends of F1 drivers keep up to date with all the F1 news via Facebook and Twitter.